Did you know that 65% of travelers forget to pack at least one essential item for their trip? Imagine showing up to your dream destination without your phone charger. Today, we're diving into the universal travel tips you need to know to avoid travel disasters. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned globetrotter, these tips will transform your next trip. From smarter packing to navigating jet lag, these tips will make your adventures stress-free and enjoyable. Let's face it, travel is exciting, but can be full of challenges. Overpacking? We've all been there, stuffing clothes we'll never wear. Jet lag can ruin the first few days of your trip. And then, trying to blend in with a new culture without unintentionally offending anyone can be tricky. These are just some of the challenges every traveler faces. But don't worry, here's how you can tackle these issues. First, roll your clothes instead of folding them. This saves space and reduces wrinkles. And always keep a checklist to avoid forgetting essentials. Second, adjust your sleep schedule a few days before your trip and stay hydrated during flights. Natural light exposure helps reset your body clock faster. Lastly, research your destination's customs. Whether it's tipping or greeting, small gestures make a big difference and show respect for the local culture. I remember the time I was in Tokyo and didn't realize how crucial bowing was as a sign of respect. A local kindly corrected me, and that one moment made me realize the importance of understanding cultural nuances. Since then, learning local customs has dramatically enhanced my travel experiences and connections. Packing smart, conquering jet lag, and respecting cultures, these simple travel tips can take your journey from stressful to smooth. Trust me, they'll make a world of difference. Now, I want to hear your best travel tip. Drop it in the comments and don't forget to check out my next video for even more tips to make your travels unforgettable.